by himself right from the day one. He's been a business coach, strategy consultant. He's had to 30 years of experience in various fields, life and diversity vertical experience he has. And he has worked with five big MNC companies in a very leading post. And his expertise, if you see, he's been a coach and he always trains, coach, mentor. He has a different skill set. He uses lots of tools to develop himself, and he always believes in leveraging on to exponential growth. Okay, and he's done a lot of networkings before, and he's here to train us, to share his view how our industry is going to be there and how you can decide to be a part of Enagic and how you can take 2021 uh, forward. Okay. And I would request you guys to keep your videos on, interact with him because he's a very genuine person and he's a very interactive person. So he likes to see all your faces when he's talking so that he can, no, he can be very happy and delightful when he talks to you guys, right? So he's none other than Dr. Amanullah Khan. So, guys, just give a big
Thank you.
thanks to Amanullah Khan, sir. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. Over to you.
So much, and good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good
First of
evening,
all, I
sir.
would like to thank Anand for
Good evening, sir.
taking the initiative. First step is the most important and crucial step. Taking
Yeah.
initiative itself is the first important step. So thank you very much, Anand, for taking this initiative. And I know a few of you, well, some of you have met either on the event or some of you have heard or seen the videos. The best thing would be that we get an opportunity to interact with each other today. It's a small group of people that we would be interacting here with. It's a very personalized small group of people that we are talking to today. The whole intent is to do something kind of an audit for ourselves. Do you think that should be a good idea to have an audit of ourselves?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Definitely, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yes.
I believe, when I say inventory and audit of life as a workshop, I normally ask people, when I say the word workshop, what does it actually strike into your minds? And then I ask them to, connect with something called as an automobile, a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Then they say, yes, sir, that workshop, where we go when there is some breakdown. So I asked them, what is the best time to go to that workshop? Is it after the breakdown or, to prevent the breakdown? And they say, of course, preventing the breakdown would have been better. How many of you agree on that? Preventing breakdown would have been better, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
agree.
Yes.
And what do you think people do? They go for preventive maintenance or they go for workshop after the problem?
After the problem only,
After
many.
the
After
problem,
the problem.
majority of them. Yeah, Sagar, you are right. Majority of them go, and incidentally in our country, especially in our country, we do not have the concept of preventive maintenance at all. If you look at the medical health insurance industry also, only 3% of the people in India are insured for medical emergencies, whereas 97% of the people are insured in US. Um, so what do you think? People are uh, waiting for things to happen and then they are willing to pay even 5 lakhs. The minute you're put into the hospital and you come out, today you need to pay minimum 3 to 5 lakhs. But then you tell them, oh boss, your insurance for the entire family hardly costs you anything. Have an insurance policy for yourself, but don't pray that something should happen. But if something happens, there should be something to take care of. They're not ready to do that. Somehow that's how our mindsets have been groomed. Maybe our education system and many things have been responsible for this. To give you a little brief about myself, I have actually had a very, very tough life. When I say I had a tough life, I lost my father when I was very, very young. And I was the eldest child of the family, and it was an interreligion marriage. 1960s interreligion marriage, you can imagine. There was war in my house every day, which you are which you are seeing now in real time. It's happen every day in my house. So both the families, I have not seen anybody from my mother's side at all, not even a single person so far. She is no more. My mother is no more. My father is no more because he died very young, and I was the eldest child of the family. So I started off working just after my matriculation, 10th standard, and I used to sell milk on a bicycle, and I've done all kinds of odd jobs. I've even been to Japan, Malaysia, Singapore, many countries, about 40, 45 countries I've traveled. Some on looking for jobs, some I was invited for talking in, speaking in some assignments. How did this journey happen? Why am I sharing this with you? Especially now, I strongly believe after interacting with many coaches, mentors, world leaders who are transformation coaches, that this COVID or Corona, what we're talking about, is actually a time to reset ourselves. How many of you agree on that? There's actually an opportunity to do an audit of ourselves. And one of the questions that we need to actually ask ourselves is, if today was the last day of our life, what would we be thinking about? The things that we did not do, or the things that we did and happy about it? What are the chances of what is the things that we might be actually thinking about? Things that we did or things that we did not do? You can speak
Things
up.
we
Come
did
on.
not do.
Things that we did
Think.
not do. Priya,
Yes.
Did
50-50.
not know, sir.
Like think about both.
50-50. Think about both. Okay, good. Nagaraj,
Did not do.
okay. Syed Salman, maybe he's not in a position to open the camera, but you can talk. You can unmute and talk.
I'm listening, sir.
Yeah, you can also talk, man. Fortunately, there is no GST on talking now, still.
Yeah, that's it.
So, what do you think people will be if it is the last day of the life? And I understand that the probability of thinking is things that we did and rejoice, or things that we did not do and regret. What do you think most people will be doing? So, which area they will be thinking about? Things that they did or things that did not do that they could have done. Vijay, hey, come on, Vijay.
Yeah, that's things we did not do.
Things we did not do. Okay, thank
Yeah.
you for being very candid and honest. Bhavya,
Bhavya is having some network issues.
Bhavita, okay. Tanu, what do you think people would be thinking on?
Things I could have done, but I couldn't do it. That would be the biggest regret.
Yep, yep, you're absolutely right. Absolutely right. We used to conduct 7 Habits of Highly Effective People as a workshop, and I had the privilege of working with Dr. Stephen R. Covey's foundation for 2.5 years. And I also had the privilege of conducting these workshops to many corporates in India, including Tatas and Birlas and Reliance, mid management and above, 2.5 day workshop. And one of these questions is very prominent in that workshop. And I have yet to come across someone who said, "Sir, last day I'll be thinking of all those things that I did, and I'll happily go from this world." Nobody ever told me that. And my colleagues, when I asked what was your experience, they said, "Boss Aman, no, yeah, I never come across anyone like that." But we all have opportunity today to think about that and do not get into that stage, isn't it, friends? Do we
Yes.
agree that we still have an opportunity to not to get into that stage? It's a very, very interesting era that we are living in. Why am I talking to you all so important is this is a session I have actually asked Anand. Anand, who out of your team members would need help? Who out of your team members do you think can benefit this kind of a session? And it's not for any monetary gains, absolutely no monetary gains. and neither do I expect anything out of this. But the happiness will be if it helps someone, and you could further go out and pass it on to someone else, and that can become a ripple effect. And the world needs that very badly. Do we all agree on that, friends?
Yes.
This point of time, everybody is looking at it. And I had met Professor Ramswamy, Indian Institute of Management, founding director, long ago, about 14 years back. Recently he expired 3 years back. And he used to tell very clearly, 15 years back, he used to tell this. Imagine he had that vision. He used to tell people will have the precision to land on the moon with the precision of a second, but they cannot manage themselves. That will be the biggest challenge for people, he said. Isn't that coming true, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Are we not seeing that around us?
Yes, yes, it's happening.
We are able to land on the moon with the precision of a second. But when it comes to managing themselves, things are becoming very difficult for people.
Yes.
Just if the boss tells something, so if the salary is cut, or if the job is told, bye-bye, 3 months later, you don't need to come to this office. This is all we can afford to give you. And there are people, I've seen people also not telling their wife or her spouse, that they have lost the job and still keep going in the morning till evening, and then telling, नहीं यार वो अभी EMI है, उसको मालूम हो जाएगा तो उसके बाप को बोलेगी, उसके बाप को बोलेगी तो उसका फोन आएगा. All this headache I don't want, because the marriage happened on, I am HR manager, you are software engineer, not between boy and girl. There are some things that have not been done the way it has to be done. The world needs a reset. Do we all agree on that, friends?
Yes, sir.
We all need
Yes,
a
sir,
reset,
yes.
right? And when is the best time to do the reset? Like the vehicle after the breakdown or preventive maintenance?
Preventive maintenance.
Preventive. Priya? Preventive.
Preventive.
Okay, good. I think we should thank God that we got this wonderful opportunity to talk to you all. I'm really thankful to Anand and God for giving us this wonderful opportunity to talk to you, because it's not about how much you have in your life, it's how much you have given to people actually back. Vidya datati vinayam, vinayam datati patratam, patratam dhanam apnoti, dana dharmam tatha sukham. That's all the life is all about. If you can give more, the secret of getting more is to give more. The
Very true, sir.
secret of getting more is to give more. You look at the farmers, you can learn so many lessons from these people. They sow a seed, all the risk they take, which is not even in their control. The weather is not in their control. The environment around is not in their control. The animals that can come and eat away the crops is not in their control. The pests are not in their control. The fungus that can come is not in their control. But they still live with belief that I know that I have sowed the seed, I'll take care of it, and I will get multiples of the seeds in return. Belief makes so much of difference. The belief that nature provides multiples of whatever you give is such a phenomenal system that it works on. I was just reading an article that was published on Facebook today by one of my coaches from Israel, Ronen Gafni. You can also Google and check him out. He has taught me so many things. So many things. Amazing coach. He's a multi-dimensional entrepreneurial thinking coach, and he uses a game board to teach all this. And I'm blessed to have been in his company for many, many years now. And today he has written that we are all actually in agreement with things. And because that somewhere without knowing or knowingly or unknowingly we have signed an agreement, we don't do things that we are supposed to do, but we do things that we fear that if we bypass and do, something will go wrong, and see within that limits only. I will send that article to Anand and request him to share it with all of you. So that, instead of taking away the time to read that article, I will allow you to read and make your own inference out of that article. Anand, I would request you to kindly share that article with everyone so
Sure,
that
sir.
we can actually use the time for more productive discussion. I would actually like this discussion to be very interactive. How many of you are okay if we can have an interactive session on this? Can we talk to each other, ask questions?
Sure, sir.
Okay to ask questions? Is it okay with you?
Yes, yes.
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 Thank you very much for trusting and sharing that it's okay with you all. Because questions are the answers. The fact is that questions are the answers. And majority of us don't ask questions to ourselves. Even if they ask the wrong question. Can I do this? Instead of asking, how can I do this? Is there a difference?
Yes, sir.
Why we are used to asking, can I do this? Because in the school we were told, ma'am, please, can I? Raise your hand. If you want to go to the loo also, you have to tell, madam, please. Principal's room, knock. Ma'am, can I come in? Arey yaar, today we are living in a world of unlimited possibilities, unlimited options. Unlimited, I'm telling you, unlimited. The only problem is in between these 2 years, nothing else. Do you know that you are living in a world you can do whatever you decide to accomplish in the next 3 years? How many of you believe in that? That it is possible
Yes.
for me to do whatever I want to do in my life. It's never late to do that. And in next 3 years, I can do this. How many of you believe it's possible to do that? Vijay,
Yes, sir.
you don't believe? The rest, I can't see their hands. But I hope, Hari, you believe that it's possible to do all that you want to do in your life in the next 3 years?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Actually I was traveling, so I'm not able to reply, and I have some network issue. But yes, I agree with you.
Thank you, Hari. Thank you very much. Tanu,
Yes, I agree with you.
thank you so much. You believe that you can do that?
Yes.
I believe that anybody in this world, age is not a barrier for success anymore. Information is not a barrier for success anymore. Access to people is not a barrier for success anymore. I'll give you an example of that. If you go to the Google and you have 5 PCs all connected to the internet, somebody is 4 standard, somebody is 10 standard, somebody is PhD, and they type the same word. Will the Google give different answers?
No.
Hello?
No.
No. So access to information is not a barrier for success anymore. It's the same information that it comes to everybody else. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
So how do you process this information is the difference in making that journey in a different way. Is it true, friends?
Yes, sir.
Access
Yes.
to information is not a barrier for success anymore. Just imagine 25 years back when there was absolutely no internet, absolutely no mobile, absolutely nothing that we are seeing today. And you had a project and the college told you, you need to gather information. Where would you have gone to gather the information?
Library.
Possibilities to gather information 25 years back. No Google, no internet, no mobile, nothing. No landline also, you had to book for 3 years and wait at that time.
Yes.
Library would have.
Library.
At the most libraries, the second option would have been, if somebody knowledgeable we have within our circle, we could go meet them and then go all the way, meet them, and sit with them and gather some information, because knowledge was with very few people, right?
Correct.
Knowledge was with very few people, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, yes.
Right, right.
Information, they were holding
Absolutely.
information. And the secret, the businesses were running by holding the information and keeping it secret. Is it true or not?
True, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So that time, if you had to achieve something, access to information was a barrier for success. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Now, let us take the same thing today. Same project, again 20 years back, 25 years back, you were supposed to contact 10,000 people to become successful in that project. What were the ways that you could have contacted 25 years back when there was no internet, no mobile, no Google, no Facebook, no social media, nothing was there? How would you have contacted 10,000 people to become whatever you want to become? What
Post.
options we had?
Just connecting
Post.
to people.
Where, sir? Post. Yeah, postcards were one of them.
Go personally meet them.
Go personally and meet them. Correct.
Relatives, taking the help of relatives,
Friends,
friends.
maybe sometimes, in some clubs, possibilities was in some clubs.
Yeah.
You tell me honestly, put your hand on your heart and be honest today. Let's tell, I know that you are honest every day, but today let's be a little more honest and tell. Now, 25 years back, gathering that information for becoming successful for that project, was it easy?
No.
Difficult.
No.
Would it have costed some money?
A lot of money. Yes.
Lot of money. How much time it would have taken?
So much, sir.
Huge amount of time.
I think
Lot of
3-4
time.
years time will go only in gathering information.
Yes.
If I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes. Yes.
3-4 साल तो लग ही जाता उसको बेचारे को.
Absolutely.
And then if he has to contact 10,000 people, how much time do you think it would have happened to that individual? Let's say Venkatesh Prasad had to contact.
Year, 4-5 years.
4 or 5 years minimum, Baba.
Minimum, yeah.
And then those days booking a ticket means how? You have to go stand in the queue. Then you will get one ticket. Cancelling means another big problem. And then you have to go to the railway station means getting a vehicle, so problem. Everything is coming at a, just at a button today. Is that wrong?
Yes.
Right, sir.
Yes.
So my dear friends, my point to talk to you all about this today is, if the same project is available today and you have to gather information, how much time does it take?
Only seconds.
How much
Only
does it cost?
Hardly. It's
Meager
free of cost.
connection.
Free of cost.
Free. Absolutely. We're living in an abundant world. We are living in a world of abundance. I know today if someone marries and then goes to her husband's house and she doesn't know how to make puliyogre, she doesn't have to be scared. And if mother-in-law says, my son likes too much of puliyogre, can you make? Means she can happily go to the kitchen, close the door, watch YouTube video and make that puliyogre.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no, my friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
First, second time they may make little salt more or little chili more. After that, not bad. It's first time if you have made, it's good only, she will tell. So that's nothing called you cannot do. Nothing that you cannot say that I don't know. If you don't know, YouTube is the only channel where you have to go. That's all. Just go to YouTube. Everything that you want to know, you can learn. So after losing my father in 10th standard, never had an opportunity to go to the college, never had an opportunity to earn a degree from a formal education. But I traveled and worked in 5 multinational companies, acquired the degree, acquired the doctorate also. I really, really thank all those people who were my close friends that time, who were made a positive difference in everything that I am today. If you choose the friends right, 5 friends that you commonly communicate on a daily basis. What discussion is happening? You just be careful about it. You will be a sum total of those 5 people.
Right.
The communication that you have with those 5 people on a daily basis is so important for the thinking process that has developed in us. Do you think we can casually choose such people now, or we should be carefully choosing people whom we interact with?
Choose carefully.
Very
Very,
carefully,
very
sir.
careful.
Very
What,
good.
Vijay?
Yeah, carefully, sir. We need to be very careful on this.
You are right.
Yeah.
But what do we do when we get an opportunity to do something? Whom do we take opinion from? Somebody who is an expert in that industry, or somebody who's not at all knowing anything about it? He will give us opinions.
Expert.
With the expert's opinion.
Expert opinion.
Better is to go to the expert and successful person in that industry, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And the business models also have changed. I want to share this with you, very important. The intellectual distribution system, which is going to come now, between now 2010 and 2025, is going to create more millionaires than ever before. Please mark my words. Intellectual distribution system means what? Educating a customer about a product or service which he never knew before on a one-on-one basis, and servicing the customer using technology is called intellectual distribution system.
Right.
Earlier, what used to happen? Companies used to produce a product. Then they would appoint a national distributor for that product. That national distributor would appoint some state distributors. That state distributor will further appoint district distributors. Then it will go to taluka, zilla, then it will go to village. Finally, it will go to the customer from that shop. And none of the people from the manufacturer till that village distributor have added any value in terms of quantity or quality for that product. In between, there will be a star, celebrity. Boost is the secret of my energy. Baba, did you drink Boost and become Sachin? Or after becoming Sachin, you are selling Boost? And we'll believe. And we will pay them crores of rupees for not drinking and recommending that to us.
Absolutely.
And advertisement, marketing, branding, positioning, everything will go money. Poor customer will pay for that. Kash se mar. Customer means kash se mar. Now we are in an era where information age. In an information age, information is wealth. And sharing of this information, you can create a distribution network without having to invest that lakhs and crores of rupees, which you would have had to do in order to build a global business by yourself. And had to pay salary, had to pay rent, had to put up stocks, had to put up mechanics, everything we had to do. Yes or no, before?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
What is your investment if you have to do energy business? You are only buying a machine for yourself, right?
Yeah.
That's all. And today, after Corona, tell me honestly, are there more people looking for opportunities or less people looking for opportunities?
More people.
Very more. Yeah.
So the raw material is there, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
All those who are already having a job also, do you think they are secure? Vijay, are they secure?
Not at all.
Not.
Are they secure, Vijay?
No.
Is your job secure? Sagar,
No.
is your job secure?
Not at all, sir. No.
Hari,
No, not at all.
I don't know whether you know, in an era of acquisition and merger, tomorrow one big company will come and buy this company. They will change the whole policy and they'll keep their own people. Yes or no?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Happening or not happening?
Happening.
Happening.
Yes, right, right.
What happened to Kodak? What happened to companies like Nokia who are market leaders?
Merged
Are
and
they
collapsed.
existing anymore?
No.
I want to share a slide with you. 1 second, I want to share the slide. I hope I can share that slide and help you. Are you okay? Am I boring you all?
No, no, sir.
No, sir. No,
Not
not
at
at
all.
all.
Not
No,
at all.
sir. No, no, not at all.
Don't look at the way I tell, look at the why I'm telling. Yeah. Okay, this is the slide I wanted to share. I think this will be helpful for all of us. 1 second. Okay. Can you see this slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see the telephone? Some of you must have not even seen that kind of telephone.
Yes, sir.
Priya and all must have not seen. Sagar must have not seen. Bhavya must have not seen. The fun phone I'm showing you here, no, that black one with little mud and all that. You would have not seen at all.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
I think Venkatesh Prasad can tell. Okay, I was a kid. I saw this.
Yes, sir.
What, Venkatesh?
Yeah, very much, sir. I mean, yeah.
Look at this. I want you to pay attention. 1880, this telephone was invented. Until 1990, the shape of the telephone, the purpose of the telephone, the way it operated, the quality of voice must have changed. The distance of voice that it can travel must have changed. And the purpose was only for talking from a fixed location only. For 110 years, it was the same. But 1990 to 2020, in 30 years, the evolution that has happened on the telecom industry has changed the way people use phone today. All of you agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
The
Yes.
speed of changes is very, very fast now. Do you agree on that?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, we are now living in a fast changing world. Do you believe that?
Very
Yes.
much.
Yes.
In a fast changing world, the shelf life of opportunities is reducing. Is it true or not?
Very true, sir.
Yes. True, true.
Okay, let me show one more slide. Television, 1930 to 2000, the size was almost similar. The purpose was almost similar. Nothing must have changed. But now it has become sleek. Do you think the utility of the television has improved now or
Improved.
improved a lot? Priya, yes?
Yes, sir.
Man, yes?
Yes.
Bivin,
Yes.
Hari, Tanu?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, true.
Is someone missing today? Only 12 people. Okay. Fair enough. Jesus had only 12 people, you know. Jesus just had 12 apostles. Today it's the largest religion in the world. Look at the computer. Has it gone through a transformation?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I want
Yes.
to share some incident with you. I used to travel to Middle East in 1980s, 90s, yeah, 89, 1991. That time there used to be one union leader called Samant Datta. He recently died. You can Google and check this. That time computers were just coming into the banks. There is a chamber called Maker Chambers in Bombay. And in the newspaper, I saw one day from Maker Chambers, 20th floor, the Samant Datta stood and threw one computer to the floor and said, no, we should resist this. This will take away our jobs. 5 years later, he was with the laptop. So, reality, I'm seriously telling you the fact. Any change, human beings will resist. You know, when the cell phones came first, this was not the size. It was like a hammer. You have to hold like this in 23 rupees incoming call and 11 rupees outgoing call. They all went to the doors and told, sir, nice phone has come. And only this much, you can take it, go man. We are happy with the land phone, they used to tell. 2 years later, all those people who heard the word no, 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 and stuck on, people went back to them and they said, I want phone. Hello, are you understanding what I'm telling?
Yes,
Yes.
Very much. Yes, sir.
If you continue to do what you are doing, you will just continue to get what you got. If you want to get what you never got, you have to do things that you never did. And some people think Kenyan means selling business, sharing. In WhatsApp, you share, no?
Correct.
Social selling, it is not selling, sharing. This is not a business that anybody cannot do, because some people think that selling, sir, I can't do selling, sir. Baba, when you are born, no, you are crying. You are actually selling to your mother that you are hungry. Your mother did not feed a child who was hungry. The mother was only feeding a child who was crying. That's the only language you knew at that time. All of us have been selling. When you went to see your would-be probable spouse or wife, husband or wife also, you are selling, no? I'm in that country, no, everything. All you did, no, good dress, perfume, haircut, shaving,
nice jacket.
nice jacket. Sagar, abhi tera number aa gaya. Bhavya, keep a track of this guy now. Bhavya, fortunately, Sagar is married. Nobody will believe also.
He's my sister, sir.
I
Bhavya
know,
is
I
my
know,
sister.
Bhavya is married. So, my dear friends, we have to get to the right mindset. Do you all agree? Yes, we have to develop the right mindset to face this rapidly changing world.
Yes, sir.
Do we
Yes,
agree?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
You know, you may have the skill set, you may have the tool set, you may have the information, but if you don't have the right mindset, you will still not see that as a probability and possibility. Vijay is thinking, why this fellow is doing all this thing today?
No,
Why
no,
have
no,
you
sir.
called me for this session? How can I finish this and go back soon?
No, 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 sir. It's very interactive.
Hari may be thinking, Array, I'm traveling that time also, Anand will not leave. You know, some people, what they'll tell when
No, not like that, sir. It's something beneficial to us. It's something useful to us.
good, thank you.
We don't. Why do we think
Hey,
like
some
that?
people, you know, I've also seen people, and call comes means they'll tell, no, I'm busy. You know, this industry is the only industry I have seen in my 23 years of experience that we change people's lives forever. It's an amazing industry, actually. Amazing industry. So we were talking about the telephone, television. Here is something that I want you to watch. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I want you to pay attention and see here. 2008 and 2018. It's at the bottom, you know, that green color Excel sheet kind of a screen is there below.
Yeah.
You see in 2008, Exxon founded in 1870. General Electric founded in 1892. Now, these are the companies which took 80 years, 90 years, 100 years to become top Fortune 500 companies. In 2018, the companies that did not even exist, in 2008, they already became Fortune 500 companies. What is the lesson from this? I want you to share that. What is the lesson from this slide information?
Scaling up.
What is lesson, Vijay?
Yeah, scaling up at the right time.
Absolutely. Give him a round of applause. Timing is very important.
They took some of the toughest decisions when they required, sir.
Good. Give Vijay a round of applause. Champions take decisions. Decisions make champions. Timing is very important. Absolutely. Yeah. Nagraj.
Look into for the opportunities. Opportunities come to our place, and we have to. Few people are ignore their things. There should not be means. We have to check and get the
Look
opportunity.
for
back.
opportunities.
Yes.
People are looking for opportunities, especially after January 1st. You know, January 1st, majority of the people, what they do? Yaar, abhi tak jo ho gaya. I will reduce my tummy now. I will go to gym. I will go on dieting. I will stop smoking. I will stop drinking. All the resolutions they will do on January 1st. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Some background noise is there in somebody's house.
Prasad sir, I think you have to mute.
No problem. So my humble request to all of you is, when we have millions of people, I'm going to share one more slide that will help you understand what is the number of people looking for opportunities now. Can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll share the slide. The next big thing is going to be, this is the big problem. I want you to pay attention to this slide. The first industrial revolution, can you see on the left-hand side corner topmost?
Yes.
Mechanization, water and steam power. That took away a lot of jobs by human beings, which was being done. Second is the mass production and assembly line because of the invention of electricity. That took away a lot of jobs. Then computer and automation, cyber, physical and system. The fourth industrial revolution is the biggest challenge for especially India. Why India? Because India has the youngest population in the world, with crores of people looking for opportunities. Crores of people looking for opportunities. And I want you to pay attention and see this. This is the biggest challenge that we are going to face now. And this millions of people who are going to be in this situation. Can you see this slide? 62% of the young population in India. January, February, March, see the unemployment rate and see now how much it has increased. And in the bottom slide, you can see on the right-hand side, the male and female in India at 2018, the ages between 0 to 100. You tell me, by looking at that graph, do we have elderly population more in India or young, vibrant population more in India? Can you please look at that slide and answer?
Younger.
Young generation of people.
Yes.
Numbers are less
Yes,
in India
we
or
have younger
numbers are in
generation.
crores? Do we have less people in India looking for opportunities or crores?
In crores, sir.
Crores.
More,
Do you think they are
more people.
all going to get, do you think the young generation people is now going to get more jobs
Definitely not.
with machine
Yes.
learning, with autonomous cars, with artificial intelligence, and with the 3D printing and all these technologies that is converging now? Do you think more jobs are going to be created?
Not at all, sir.
You Google and check it out. Apple had a manufacturing unit in South Korea. Last year, 60,000 people were told at 6 o'clock in the evening, after 30 years of working, bye-bye. You know that Swiggy and Zomato, the people who are delivering boys now, do you think 3 years down the road you will see delivery boys or drones? What do you think will be the reality?
Drones.
Huh?
No, we don't.
Drones.
Drone.
Drones.
Drones.
I had
We
sent a
only see
video
the
to
machines.
Sagar. Sagar, you remember that video I sent you?
Yes, sir. Yes, I remember.
Can you please share it with all of them?
Yes, yes.
Share it with Anand and he can share it with everyone. He'll share with you the video. Already Swiggy has bought, Zomato has bought a company of drone. We are just waiting for the license, that's all. Do you know that India has started an air taxi and drone, air taxi, Chandigarh to Haridwar? I can send that video. I think Anand, I sent you yesterday, right?
Yes.
Why am I telling that to you is, whatever comfort zone we might be in, thank God, no doubt about it. But That's not the reality for the future. How many of you agree on that?
Agree, sir.
So do you
Yes, yes,
think
we
when
do
we are
agree, sir.
comfortable, sorry?
We agree on that.
So don't you think time has now come to really build a parallel revenue generating source for ourselves?
Yeah, exactly, sir.
Yes.
Is water a common problem for the whole world?
Yes.
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 Is it an expense or an investment?
Investment.
Who said that?
Me.
Huh? Nagaraja, what do you think, Vijay? It is expense or investment?
It's investment only, sir.
It's an investment or a business investment? See, we
Business
all have to
investment.
develop the right mindset, right? None of us have done business, right? Our parents did not do business, maybe. I know at homes, I have been to homes. Hey, don't do business, man. See your grandfather. Can you see that black and white photo? He was working in the army. He used to get 6 rupees salary. He married. He took care of 6 children. He bought lands. He also took care of his sister. That they have shown you when you went to the villages. You have seen that kind of pictures? Families?
Yes, sir.
Look at your father. 35 years he was in BML. But can you work in 35 years in one company? Can somebody assure me today?
No.
Will that company be there for
No,
35
no.
years? Will that company be there for 35 years?
No
No.
guarantee, sir.
No one can assure that.
There is no guarantee, no warranty. There is only possibility and opportunity. That's all. And like you said, timing is very important. Mindset is important. Just have the right mindset. Trust the person. But you should trust the system more than the person. The system is very important. Because any other system in the past, they could only give active income, cannot create passive income, cannot create an opportunity to leverage. If you have to leverage, you needed crores of rupees to start a factory and then put employees. Now you don't need to give salary. You don't need to put up office. You don't need to actually put up electricity bill, water bill, and you can still work from home and build a global business. How many of you feel, yes, if I can develop certain skills, I can do this?
I too, sir.
Yes, sir.
So coming back to the same point, access to 10,000 people, 25 years was very difficult. Now you tell me, if you have a project and you have to access 10,000 people, how would you do that?
Simple WhatsApp or email.
Social media, correct?
Social media.
Is accessing 10,000 people difficult today?
No, sir.
No.
No.
So where is the problem?
Mindset.
Whose mindset?
Mindset.
Your mindset, apart.
Individual mindset. My
Whose
mindset.
mindset? Because it's easy to tell mindset and then no. Oh, Narendra Modi ka mindset problem. Oh, no, that's Yediyurappa's problem, sir. Whose life are we talking about? Will they going to change your life?
Our own lives. Our own
Tell me
lives.
honestly, is anybody
Ourselves.
going to change your life other than you?
No one, sir.
Nobody can see.
Be honest. Let's be honest. Can anybody change your life other than you? Let's answer this question.
No one, sir.
No.
Is there a guarantee you'll come back to this world again and play second innings?
No.
No.
Priya is having a good laugh. She knows that it won't happen anyway. Hey, छोड़ा यार, first innings जाने दो, second innings में देखेंगे. What, Venkatesh?
Yes,
I'll
there's no other
give
chance.
you a formula, Venkatesh.
Yeah.
Let us say, Venkatesh, you must be around 48, 49 years of age.
54. Sir.
Oh, thank you. You look still young, boss.
Thank
I
you,
hope
sir.
your wife is listening, she'll be happy.
Yeah.
Okay. See, Venkatesh, Sometimes age also what will happen? No. You will think, "Arey, mere ko abhi 58 ho gaya, why I should do all this nonsense? Why I should get into all this headache? Anyway, retirement is now come. Over, life over." Who said that? Life begins after retirement.
Absolutely.
Now you met at 58 again after being a vice president of this company. I have to take this mission and go. Huh? Who told you to take and go? Don't take and go. Don't only do webinars. Let's do that. Now you may say, what is the benefit of doing it? Brahma, honestly, at the core of the heart, there may be 3-4 regrets in case we leave this world without doing that. Some activity will be there in our minds. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
All the knowledge and skill that we have.
Yes.
Yes. Absolutely.
Now, smart work we should do or hard work we should do?
Smart work.
Smart work. Smart
Let's
work.
say Venkatesh Prasad really wants to make it big. Does Venkatesh Prasad need to work, or he has to find somebody who is having a dream and empower him, educate him, and engage him? Which is actually true. Does Venkatesh Prasad need to work hard, or he has to find somebody who is young, physically, mentally, and emotionally, and he has a dream, so connect him to the opportunity. It's like connecting him to 440 volts. After that, he's like Hanumanji, set him on fire, he will go and set the whole Sri Lanka on fire.
Absolutely correct.
Is it hard work?
Smart work.
Still, if you are not doing, what is the problem? Suppose we are not doing. I'm not telling that you are not doing. You answer, any one of you here are using 100% of your potential. And Vijay, are you using 100% of your potential?
No, no,
Huh? No. Huh?
no.
Should you use?
Yes.
You can. What is stopping you? Tell me, what is stopping you? Tell me. You are ashamed to tell that? You can take my number and call me, no problem. You want to come out of the house and talk?
No.
Some people have that problem. Wait. You know, actually, I want to do, but they won't allow me to do. Vijay,
Yeah.
second innings aadbekantana?
No, sir.
Okay, good. How many of you believe this 2021 is a great opportunity for us God has given us? Tanu?
Yes, 2021 is gonna be a good year.
Do you know that many people wanted to live in 2021? They are not able to live. They went away. Many people who wanted to live all went away. We were fortunately given gift by God. Corona did not come early, correct? No. Now that it's coming late, at least we'll have some possibility of managing that. Correct or wrong?
Yes.
Such a developed country like
Yes,
Italy,
true.
Spain,
Yes.
what problems you have seen on the TV, right? There was panic in their entire country. We were fortunate. God was kind to us. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, true. Absolutely.
How many of you feel, I'm thankful to God, we are still living, we should do something different? If you raise, Baba, I'm going to send IT department to your house, man. Because if you feel that if I raise my hand, IT department might come because too much money is there. No. I'm just joking, Vijay. I'm just using you as a opportunity to help everybody laugh. Not because you are soft. It's because I love you. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Sagar,
Sir. Yes, sir.
I want to play the next slide and I want your input on this, all of you.
Yes, yes.
I'm really thankful to Anand for sharing this wonderful opportunity to talk to these young people. And we will come back and talk on the same thing. What will most people reflect on the end of the life? We started from there, right, Priya?
Yes.
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 We started with that, and we all agreed that most people will have some kind of a regret or the other, right?
Yes.
And we don't have to get into that trap. We can probably make those corrections today and do things that we want to do and don't get into the regretful side of it. Is that possibility there for us or not?
Yes.
There for us,
Yes.
right?
It's there.
Fortunately, it is there for all those who are alive.
Yes.
So we also agreed that we will not live once again, same like Vintesh Prasad, same like Nagash, same like Vijay, same married to same lady, same children, same father. Chances are very less, right?
Very less, sir.
Okay, good. So let's make the most of the life, right?
Yes.
So what do champions do? We all agreed that champions take
Decisions.
decisions. And decisions make
Champions.
Champions.
champions. But the problem in taking decision, what is the problem? I'm going to send you an article, which Anand will share it with you, which is an article that is published today by Ronen Gafni from Israel. And I want you to all read that. And please text your reply to Anand back. Is change permanent or temporary?
It's temporary, not permanent.
Change is the
It's
only
temporary.
that is permanent in life. Change is the only thing that is permanent in life. Rest
it's
all
meant to
is
be there.
temporary. You cannot stop people from changing. Everything will change in this world. Don't be surprised. I'm going to tell you something very, very interesting. Very soon, the Davos meet is going to happen. Have you heard about the Davos meet? Davos meet.
Yes, yes.
All the top people of the world will meet there, and they will decide how the world has to be in order. And this time, the world will be setting up rules and regulations like never before. All the democracy is going to go, all the capitalism is going to come, and more people are going to become suppressed. And before it is too late, you should be at the beginning of giving opportunities to people. How many of you agree on that?
I agree, sir.
We do agree.
Right? Huh?
Agree.
Agree. Thank you
Yes.
so much. Only new ways can give benefits, big benefits. Old ways won't open new doors. Old ways will never open new doors. And I'm telling you, from selling milk on cycle to selling Encyclopedia Britannica, then World Book Encyclopedia, then from selling a product to straight away selling insurance, LIC overseas operations, then come back and I was working with Stan Chartered Bank in the DMAT. Then I worked with HDFC Standard Life, first employee in South India. Then I worked with AMP Sanmar as a zonal head. Then I worked with Reliance, they got acquired. Then I worked with the elder brother Mukesh Ambani with Reliance Retail. And then finally I said goodbye to employment and started my own institute called Institute for Management of Life. It was a big struggle for the 3 years, but I'm telling you, I have no regrets at all. Tomorrow, if I die, I have no regrets because I did everything that I wanted to do in my life. Everything. I wanted to play musical instruments. I learned musical instruments. Anand knows about it. I'm not lying, right, Anand?
Yes.
I play 7 musical instruments. I wanted to learn languages. I speak 6 languages fluently. ನನ್ನಾಯ್ತು ಸಂಸಾರಿಕೆನ ಅರಿವು ನಲ್ಲ ಪೇಸುವೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತೆಲುಗು ಕೂಡ ವస్తుందండి. That does not happen overnight. I learned in COVID how to make videos. Some of you must have received my introductory video today, and that video I myself made it. I did not get it done from somebody else. So they cannot make the way I want it to be made. Best time to learn was to reflect was COVID period.
Yes.
If you need any help, I'm there with you all. But if you have any questions, please ask now. And ask any question. There's nothing wrong in asking a question. If you don't ask a question, there's something wrong. But don't ask a question just because you told, if I don't ask a question, he'll think that something is wrong. So let me ask some question at least. The question has to come from inside. It should mean, it should change your life. It should change through you the lives of at least 100 people. If you cannot transform 100 people, what will you do with the knowledge and education that you have? You need a platform to do that. That's what energy gives. Plus, it helps you to build a business. 100 people's lives who are suffering. They don't know what to do. They're standing on the crossroad. They're looking at people like you to guide them. Are you ready? Can you make a list of 100 people that you want to change life and start a second 2021 and make it big? Are you ready for that? Nagraj,
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh Prasad,
Yes, sir.
Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, or think about it?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Sagar,
Yes, yes, I'm ready, sir.
Salman,
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Tanu,
Yes.
Hari,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Bhavya. Oh, that's your name, Matzil. Two phones you have opened. She's also there.
Bhavya.
Your sister is there. Okay, Nanda. Vivin. Okay, no problem. Priya.
Yes, sir.
Done? Game?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Promise?
Yes.
Can you keep your hand here and say, I promise?
I
I
promise.
I will help change 100 people's lives in 2021. Just touch them, share the information. Who knows? That person may be just eagerly waiting for some hope that you will share. And how to share, what to do. Should you learn or not learn?
To
We
learn.
should learn.
You know who is an illiterate of the 21st century? The one who cannot read and write is not the one. The one who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn, because things are changing so fast. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll take this call 1 second. Hello. Manjunath. Manjunath, I'm in a webinar. I'll call you back. So, my dear friends, I sincerely wish you all a very, very happy new year, and pray to God that, God helps you, give the strength. God gives you the wisdom. God enlightens your heart to sow the right seeds, nurture them, have patience, trust and believe yourselves. God made you listen to this information with a purpose. Nothing happens in this world without a purpose. I'm truly blessed to share this information. In an information age, information is wealth. If you don't apply that information, that is where Bernard Shaw said, the most genius people in the world are living in the graveyard. They had all the wisdom, but they did not use that. Having that alone is not enough. Your action matters most. Knowing is doing or doing is knowing. Can somebody tell me that?
Doing is knowing.
Okay. What do you feel, sir? Okay, Venkatesh Prasad.
Doing is knowing, sir.
Doing is knowing. Nagraj.
Doing is knowing.
Vivin. Nanda. Syed
Doing
Salman.
is knowing.
Ajay. Who is that?
Nanda said doing is knowing.
Okay, good. Tanu.
I think it's both ways. Knowing is doing
Yeah,
and doing is
doing
knowing.
is knowing.
Okay, good. Winners, you are absolutely right. But also today's world, what has happened is majority of the people know, but they're not putting into application. That's the point I was trying to drive, Tanu.
Got it.
Today there is no dearth to knowing because it's easy to access information how to do, but people are not doing that. They're not applying. Everybody knows that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but are they actually applying in life?
No.
Walking is good for health. How many of them are walking?
Mhm.
No. So that is the point I'm driving. You are absolutely right when you said academically, you are absolutely right. But when it comes to theory and practical, I was only trying to drive a point that, we all know a lot of things, but we are not putting into practice is what I was trying to drive. All of you agree that point is true?
True.
Yes, yes, sir. We do agree.
So thank you so much again. And any questions? I have not got any questions. What should I think? Should I think that it was, my voice is bad that you don't want to ask any questions?
No, no.
No, no.
Okay, I'll send you a 25 list of questions. I want you to reflect on that.
Yes.
And can you write and share it back without your name? You don't need to write your name. Just share it back to Anand, reply to that. That will at least help you to introspect. How many of you feel like I should send that 25 questions to you all?
Yes, sir.
How many of you promise me that at least one learning I will apply in my life and make 100% positive difference? One learning out of this today's session, I will take it. How many of you are willing to do that? One learning.
We do. We will do, sir.
Will do. Anand, I need you to kindly help me out, share their feedbacks.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Would you like to speak and take over from here? Anybody wants to share any feedback, like 60 seconds? You can tell before coming in this session and after knowing the session, what benefit did you get today? Can you share that? Anybody here?
This is for you. Anyone can answer.
Okay, I will tell their name. Sagar, has it benefited you? The last 1 hour of session that we had, in what way has it benefited? 60 seconds.
Yes,
you can tell.
it's benefited, sir. The graph you showed, the picture you showed, there were a lot of technological companies who were manufacturing physical products. And now if you see Google, Facebook, they don't have physical products. They are just playing with the information and advertise. It's a basic advertisement platforms, right? So information is wealth. They're making money with information, people's information. So I think we need to share information. That's how I also can generate a lot of money to enhance.
You should share information and create a lot of clones better than you.
Yes.
Empower them, educate them, train them. Invest money in people as assets. Well done. Keep it up. Good learning. Picked it up.
Kanta, I have one question.
Huh.
Can you just help us understand what is the difference between the industry which we are in compared to a retail based business, so that people can also understand?
You mean to say a traditional business versus 21st century business?
Correct.
Well, that's actually pretty simple, actually. If you look at the traditional business, in the traditional business, the challenges are, if you see the businesses, especially the COVID period, did you notice that in the COVID period, a lot of businesses collapsed? How many of you noticed that?
Yeah.
All the big brands are not existing anymore. Did you see that?
Yes.
The more the company had branches and cost to maintain that, they all collapsed now. Their valuation, everything gone. But suddenly there are new companies that suddenly emerged and became multi-billionaires. Did you notice that?
Yes, yes.
Did you notice that health and body management is going to be the next big business?
Yes.
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 And the traditional ways of doing business is not working anymore. How many of you are noticing that? People have to be creative. People have to be innovative. People have to do things that they never did before. They have to find newer ways of distributing products and services. The traditional business model was designed for an industrial age. The intellectual distribution system is an evolution for the digital age, which empowers a person who knows how to use the digital platform to become multi-billionaire. And I'm not telling you to think in that multi-billionaire overnight. At least you should have a replaceable income. How many of you feel that at least I should have a replaceable income, passive income?
Yes.
Whether I work or
Yes,
don't work.
we all feel that, sir. We all feel that.
Very important, Hari. Very, very important. You know,
Yes, yes, indeed.
there is a survey company called Gallups, and the Gallup survey company says that 62% of the educated adults do not recognize future needs of financial needs. 62%. And direct selling has the power to convert an ordinary person into an extraordinary human being. How many of you agree on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I can have another session on this, Anand, some other time. Traditional versus direct selling, why networking, why? But I won't use the word networking. I would say entrepreneurship in a direct selling business. Somebody has abused this word called networking. In India, everything is abused first. Unless 300 people die, they will not put a railway crossing. And one MLA has to come and do one report, and then he has to come for inauguration. 300 people have to die, put on railway crossing here. There's no value. We have to change ourselves. How many of you believe I should also responsibly change the nation?
I do, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it together, man. Sagar, thank you for
Yes, sir.
sharing. Priya, any learning you are able to take in your life to be applied?
Yeah. The one thing I liked is like our business is not as into selling. We need to share information to others to do the business.
Thank you, Priya. Just share and I'll assure you and tell them, see, use the product, share the facts, tell your story. Actually, you should be creating videos and posting it out every day. You should have a blog, you should have a YouTube channel, you should have a digitally fit होना बहुत जरूरी है. Physically fit है, mentally fit है, financially भी थोड़ा थोड़ा चलता है, लेकिन digitally fit नहीं है, तो financially भी नहीं रहेगा आगे.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How many of you feel I'm not digitally fit? I need to become digitally fit. When I say digitally fit, your LinkedIn profile, your YouTube channel, your Facebook, not putting a birthday cake and I'm taking picture here. No, that's not digitally fit. Digitally fit is your profile on the social media. All of you, all the best. Nanda, any learning that you are able to take today? Tanu? Tanu, any
I felt like it was like a quick introspection that what is the need of the hour and going forward from 2021. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. I'll be happy if it helps you change your perception and you change some actions. Habits have to change. Unless habit change, nothing will change.
Yes, I got it.
Hari?
Yeah, sir. As far as I feel, every bit of the session was really informative. It was very interesting. We got to know a lot of things regarding the information, or maybe our mindset, or maybe taking the right decision, having a vision, towards achieve the things. So every bit of thing was really interesting. We look forward for more sessions from you, so that we can grow ourselves and we can make people grow with us.
Thank you so much, Hari, for the kind words. I would appreciate you also telling that one thing that you are going to apply beginning from today.
Sure, sir, sure.
What is that you would like to apply beginning from today with this 1 hour session?
that's what, sir, like having a vision and taking decisions in a, in the right time.
So you have made some
Like,
decisions which you never made before.
uh, like I mean, I was serving to people, but I would like to serve more people or make people grow with me, along with me. That one thing,
Okay,
like
good. Anand,
teamwork
if
or building.
Hari needs a session on how to do more effectively, we can connect one-on-one with him, no problem.
Sure, sir.
Venkatesh, I'm sure you are very actively participating. Thank you very much for that. Would you like to share, Mr. Venkatesh, anything that has helped you today's session?
Very much, sir. Basically, we need to empower ourselves, actually get to know the things and then share it actually at the right time, actually, so that you can empower others also. You can bring them up. This direct selling industry is the only industry which can cater to the future needs, actually. That's what you very amply explained, actually, with the data. Actually. So we need to empower others, actually, to get to know about the things and spread the knowledge, actually, without keeping it ourselves.
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right. I have actually reports of FKCCI, that is the Federation of Chamber of Commerce in India, and also the reports of IDSA and the Ministry of Commerce, what they mean about right selling in India. And we have clear-cut data of thousands of pages of research work in the last 8 years. Fortunately, we are now realizing that entrepreneurship is the next big thing. In that entrepreneurship, women have a very important role to play in health and body management. And young adults are not looking for jobs anymore. They are looking for business opportunities. And this is the most viable way to do entrepreneurship. That's all I can say.
Correct.
I'm not telling this is the only way, but this is the most viable way. Low risk, high returns.
Correct.
In any other business, I've done coaching for Bank of Baroda. A lot of entrepreneurs who have taken loans are not able to pay back. That first year they run the business properly. Afterwards, the technical skill is not enough. After that, the business management skill is not there. But here you get consistent coaching because you always meet smarter people than you, and they help you build the business.
Right.
In this world, do you think there are people smarter than us?
Of course, sir.
Yes.
There are always people smarter than us or not?
Yes, yes, woman.
Yes.
And they are looking for opportunities also, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can we find 5 people who are smarter than us and give them the opportunity?
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
Is this a relay race or a marathon?
Relay race.
Relay.
A relay race. It's not a marathon. You don't have to do everything. Find 5 people and give the baton to them and tell them, hey, Superman, very good. Go ahead. They will take it everywhere.
Correct.
So my percentage, I will ask you once you become 3 years, 6A. Okay, Venkatesh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And Nagraj, anything that you want to share?
Yes, sir. One thing is I have to implement is we have to use the technology wise. I just remember whatever you said to 2000 to 2025. So many technically the companies are gone and something is happening good in the next few years. You have to utilize the technology as well as you have to grow. And other one is taking a decision. It is little difficult for me. If I'll not take a correct decision, I'll not become a champion. So while we're taking a decision, we have to be with our mentors or coach. Then it would be helpful for my whole life.
Thank you so much, Nagraj. And
Yes, sir.
Anand, if Nagraj needs a one-on-one anytime, just arrange that. If he needs any
Sure,
help,
sir.
we'll take him forward from there. Any one of you need, just get in touch with Anand. We can have a one-on-one session. Come up with your list, and we can help you what activities to do and how to digitally engage people. What video of yours should be created, how it should be created. Sagar knows I've been actually sharing with him very regularly whatever videos I do. I've developed a good relationship with Sagar these days, and though he's young, I find that his feedback is very, very powerful. So I respect him and take a lot. Anand, Sagar, I take a lot of feedback from you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, a lot, sir.
So I
Nobody
learned
asks
from Sagar.
like you, sir. Yeah.
You ask him every time. I ask.
No,
The
none of
knowledge has no age. You know, he's a bundle of so much of understanding. So you all should ask each other. You know, ask and you shall receive. Don't have the feeling. Ayo, I am so nothing here. We are all human beings and friends. That's all we are. Okay, Anand. Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
Okay.
time today. And sir's leaving abroad tomorrow, so that's the reason that he requested us to know. He wanted to have a session today to talk to all of you. That's the reason that I had to make a quick session. Probably next time I shall make a ample time so that everybody has enough time to be a part of it and actively participate. Okay. And new people, I'm looking forward to work with you guys, sir, Venkat sir, Prasad, Said, Salman, Hari. So we'll talk offline and we'll see how we can take it up. And sir is also part of our teams, and he's going to help us, coach us, and always keep mentoring us whenever we need help from him. So thank you a lot, sir. Thank you, everybody, and have a nice
Thank you,
Sunday.
sir. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Thank you,
all.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks a
everyone,
lot, sir.
and God bless you all. I have already sent the 25 questions to Anand. Anand, you may make your group and
I'll
share it.
share it. Yep. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Thank you.